Hello guys, welcome. This is your very own teacher, the undergraduate teacher. In today's lesson, we are looking at a question which came on multiple choice in science paper 2 2025 G12 exam. This was a question which came last year. It was question 2. It was saying the diagram shows a simple pendulum whose periodic time is 2.5 seconds. So this was a simple pendulum they are talking about. This was a thread, this was a bulb. It was moving from A to, it was moving, showing the direction where it was moving here. Now the question was saying, how long will it take the pendulum bulb to move from position A to B? So what you need to understand, for this pendulum always move like, when it moves from here to here, that's one step, 2 step, 3 step, 4 step. So every movement that you make, we will say over 4. So if you just move from A to B, that means say out of the you say out of the circle it will be 1 over 4. When it moves from A to B, then to C, we say 2 over 4. Then back to B, that's 3 over 4. Then back to A, that means it has made a full what? Oscillation now. That's what we call now the what? The period. Which is when it makes it goes to A, then back to, when it goes to C, then back to A, that means it will be 4 over 4 now. So now the question was just saying, how long it was saying how long will it take the pendulum bulb to move from position A to B, from here to here. So that means from here to here, we are just going to say the number of oscillation, the number of circles, you are going to say 1 over 4. Because the formula that we use for period, we say period, we all say period is equals to, you say period is equals to, time over n. So now, n is the one which you are talking about, the number of circles. So if you just move from A to B, that means it will be 1 over 4. So now, they have already given you the what? In this question, they wanted to find the time. So the period was already given. So, and we know that the n need to be 1 over 4. So how to solve this question? You are going to say, where there is t, where there is period here, you put this period which was already given. The question was saying, whose periodic time is this one? So where there is t, you put t, you have to put t 2.5. You say 2.5 equals, then e equals t over n, which is 1 over 4. So when you say 4 into this one, when you divide 4 into 1, it is going to give you 0.25. So it will be 2.5 equals to t over 0.25. So when you reach here, you are going to cross multiply. You say cross multiply for you to find this one. 2.5 times 0.25. It will give you a number which is like this. 0.25, it will be going somewhere like this. The number will be like this. Then 1 times t, it will give you t. So the number will be like this. When you round off this number, it will give you 0.63 seconds. So the answer here was supposed to be B, 0.63 seconds. Thank you for having time to watch my video. This is a very own teacher, the undergraduate teacher. Why should you continue to struggle with physics? Science when the undergraduate teacher is here. Just follow my channel for more physics lessons.